I can't do I did it! Can we use a feather? I cannot keep my eyes. Okay, in here. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, last time. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah! Oh! Damn it. Whoa, kind of. Damn it. Oh. Damn it. I feel like I did it. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more try. I can't. Dang it. One. These Q-tips are full of boogers, but like, what can you expect? Water break. I'm pretty sure I'm a disappointment by now. Ooh. I have to use 2 Q-tips, so that hurt. What is my hair doing? So I can't see with my eyes open, so I'm not gonna try.
I was like feeling it coming in the act. Hi guys, this is
Shit. Why does it tickle? Okay. I don't like this. Okay. I don't know why I keep coughing. Did I do it?
I'm gonna regret this. Oh, my nose is full of pepper and it burns. Where I legit suck pepper up my nose and I'm still not sneezing.
Okay, here we go. That's making me. Oh my gosh, I got it! What? Oh, wait, let's see if I can do it again. Oh no, it's gone. Oh god. I can't. Ew. Oh my god, I can't. Oh god. Oh god. Fuck. Fuck. I just can't do it. I can't. It's out of my limits. I cannot do it.
To see if she could.
Oh my god! I literally peed myself. When I get going, I can't stop. What the?
Oh my god, I got this. I can do it.
No.
Why can't I do it? Why can't I do it? Is this gross?
Damn it! Oh, oh no. It's like it's gummy, but it's not gummy. I can't do it. Je wordt hier een beetje opgewonden van, hè? Waarom doe je zo?
I'm gonna try to sneeze with my eyes open. Oh. I feel it coming. Dang it. Let's try again. Dang it. Dang it. Ew. Oh, this is horrible. I'm gonna do it again. It didn't come out. It was like a phantom sneeze. Oh, that one was ew. Oh my gosh, I'm really bad at this. Dang it. I got halfway. Oh my goodness. Bless me. Frick. Oh my gosh.
Is it working? Fuck's sake. That's with fucking with boogers.
Man, you can't even book me, it's me and Lil Baby going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down so she got a Mercedes. No Money Records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, yes,